Delhi is 1,882 kilometers. Whoa! Lamborghini! This is not ride of my life, I have so many more rides to do. Yes, boy! So, good morning to everybody. It's 6:32 and it's ride day. So, welcome back to the channel. Seems to be like a bright Sunday morning. And let's wait no longer and let the ride begin. This is the first ride for the year 2020. So for now the plan is I'll be meeting a couple of friends who'll be joining me for breakfast and ride with me until the border of Karnataka. That's the start off plan. So I'm being sent off by a couple of friends. Since it's the weekend and they could use this opportunity for a morning breakfast ride as well. So why not have some company on the way? So we caught up with one guy. Yeah, and this time in the videos you will find two new people whom I'll be introducing. One is this fellow here, Jackson. Just need to get comfy in all this gear now. Winter is almost over. Summer is gonna start. It's gonna be really hot in a few days, so make the most of the riding season is what the riders say. So we'll talk more about this ride as we keep going in the days to come. So initially it is just going to be a long straight haul all the way until Delhi. Hey, ಏನೋಲೆ highway ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಂಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮನೆನೇ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು.
Mom, I'm vacating my house, mom.
This is going to be a house for one.
Yeah.
What is that? Water?
Yep.
Water pack. Oh, hydration pack.
Hydration pack.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೋಚಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. This one.
Come, we'll talk at breakfast. I'm hungry. So here they are. You would have seen Santosh anyway. I don't know if he was in the frame. Just look at these guys, huh? Just look at him. Pop the wheelie now. Yes, boy! This is all unethical, unprofessional ways of doing things, which I wouldn't suggest to anybody. He's putting himself and the others on the road in danger. There are so many other places that he can do such stunts, but not here, not on such a busy highway. Finally he caught up. Mr. Preetham Selvakumar is riding the Royal Enfield Interceptor that we hired from Royal Brothers for this breakfast ride. So, we're done with breakfast, the sun is out and the ride continues. Had some pretty decent South Indian breakfast at Nandi Upachar, I guess. I don't know the name. It's a very popular spot there. That's the crossroad which diverts towards Nandi Hills. Whoa! Lamborghini! Okay, so now we have a small change of bike here. Santosh wanted to try the bike with the luggage system, so I'm riding the Interceptor for about 10 kilometers now. Let's see how it feels to ride the Interceptor after riding the 500. So that's our motorcycle now. On the go.
All the best for the ride of your life.
This is not ride of my life, I have so many more rides to do.
No, this is the longest ride you'll ever be doing.
No, I'm doing longer than this. I have plans for it. You should wish me to do a world ride, macha.
But this is a big thing, no, for you. Going so far, up and down, how many 6,000 kilometers, no?
Yeah, it'll come close to.
Be safe. All the best.
You can join me.
But you have other responsibilities.
This is போட்டு வாங்குறது மச்சா வேண்டாம். Bye மச்சா. See you. Keep in touch. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram,
Constantly.
social media. Serra. Ride safe. Reach home and message. Okay. See you. Ride safe. Bye. I'll call you. So we're crossing the border of. This is not the border exactly. This is the last toll gate of Karnataka. I mean, last town, Bagepalli. The boys are headed back home, and I'm headed north. Destination for today, Hyderabad. About 470 kilometers to go. So it's solo from now until I meet another friend way up north. Delhi is 1,882 kilometers from here. That will be the destination where we finish the first leg of this journey. The main adventure begins only when I reach the first leg of this journey. So I'll tell you how it goes. So I'm riding to Delhi, and I'll be meeting with Yatish. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know who he is. So he will join me in Delhi, where he'll be hiring a motorcycle, and he's what do you say, consulted this operator who operates packages, I mean the tour operator who conducts packages for Spiti in winter. So that's how I'll be riding to Spiti. I'll be riding with a group of people once I reach Delhi. I didn't make a things to carry video because I myself have seen a lot of videos on YouTube regarding that, so I think it's pointless doing those anymore, so I haven't done that. The only thing you keep in mind is travel light, you will have fun, and loading and unloading the bike on a daily basis is a task, so you need to keep that in mind as well. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll put the Insta handle somewhere on the screen. So this will be the end of Andhra Pradesh and we will be entering Telangana, state number 3 today. There comes my lunch. Take bottle, yeah. Tea and dal. Very nice. Okay, I was just happy about the cloud cover and the sun is out. So, done with lunch and here we go. So we're in the outskirts of Hyderabad now. We're about 60 kilometers away. And Nagpur is 545. As we get closer towards the major city, the traffic keeps piling up slowly. Until about 10 kilometers ago, there were hardly any vehicles on the road. But now the number of vehicles has increased. I've started maneuvering through traffic now. It's like that. No expressway for me. I don't know why. All I do is follow Google Maps for now. Arey Baba! Yes, I'm on the right track. No. I came down to the junction. Hey, I made it to Hussain Sagar Lake. I didn't know I'm coming here. I was just following Google Maps and I ended up here. It's towards my left actually, but yeah, I was just on the flyover for a few minutes. By the time I could turn the camera on, the lake disappeared behind this wall. I don't know if I'm allowed to park here. And I can't get a nice view because of the grills here, but yeah, this is the lake. This is Ocean Shower Lake. Let's see further ahead if I could get a nice view.